The VIP plan is totally different. And the VIP plan, I didn't have this plan for a long time. It's a very recent addition. And the reason I added it was because a lot of people, especially working professionals who took the other two plans, started saying that, hey, can you offer something that is a little more premium? That's fine. But you and your team can help us directly instead of us going and watching lessons, because that's what they found was worth their time. And that's the reason I launched the VIP plan along with the other two plans. And the key feature of the VIP plan is that my team and myself are involved all the way until you get your green card, even when we are not talking. So we have a portal that we manage, your entire sort of progress through. We assign you action. We decide and assign you action items. We have one-on-one meetings, and then we come up with very crisp, actionable items there. And then you can, create questions and assign me those questions that I can reply at any point in time. You don't need to wait for the weekly calls or the one-on-ones or anything like that. So it's way more supported. Plus, we have the three press features included in that. And what that means is our in-house team works to get you the relevant press exposure in the form of coverage interviews in three press pieces, one with a minimum of 7.5 UVPM. UVPM is a metric in the press world. It's called unique views per month. And that's how you measure how major a press is. And it's not enough if you get press. You have to be featured in major presses, the USAS criteria. So it's not one of those press release style things where you just release it to a bunch of outlets and then somebody picks it up and features. USAS has gotten pretty smart at sniffing those. This is like legitimate press where our team helps to find journalists that are interested in your story, and then get the questions from them to you and make sure that your story is published out there, in the form of a written interview or something like that. So all of these are included in the VIP. All in all, it's a very sort of involved plan from our side.